you've ever been stuck between choosing either of these body lotion in terms of what they contain, which one is suitable for your skin type, and which one is long lasting, which one has a long lasting smell, then this video. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's again Melina, and today we are making this video to settle this long score between these two body lotion, NIVEA Cocoa Butter and Vaseline Cocoa Radiance. So yes, we understand that these body lotions are said to contain cocoa butter for sure, but then there are one or two properties and one or two things to look in this both lotion that will help you to know and help you to choose in terms of your personal preference. Okay, so I want to start off by speaking a little bit of this NIVEA. So this NIVEA cocoa butter is said to contain two major ingredients, and that is cocoa butter and shea. Being that I have a little bit knowledge of shea, I know that rich and high in healing. So if you're someone that if your skin type is one that is kind of recovering from a major breakout, or you're trying to stay away from high lightening product that you have used, and you want to choose a product that will actually help to moisturize the skin and keep it the way it is without breaking any of the skin barrier and all, then this particular lotion is for you. And also, if you kind of have a skin issue, if you kind of have like a dry flaky skin and you're looking for it to heal very well, for the fact that this cocoa butter is here and shea is here, I will actually recommend that you go for this NIVEA Cocoa Radiance. It is said to have 625 millimeter, so that's 625 ml, so it's a little bit large. Yes. So another thing I want to note is, if you're someone that's been using Aveeno, because me, I love Aveeno product very well. Aveeno is very like intense moisture. I think I'm going to purchase that and make a video for you guys, for you to actually see how rich and Aveeno is. Anyway, this video is not about Aveeno skin product, but if you're someone that's been using Aveeno product before and you're looking for something to actually replace Aveeno on a budget, yes, I recommend this particular one for you. So with all that being said and done, this is said to have vitamin E as well, and we know vitamin E is very good for the skin. It's said to have hyaluronic acid as well, all for intense moisturization. So yes, this particular lotion is one that you can use if you are someone that is on a path to skin repair, or if you're someone that is on the path to keeping your skin moisturized without any brightening or any lightening effect on your skin at all. And if you're someone that is on the budget from Aveeno, yes, this particular one is one you should go for if that is an option you're looking to get. Okay, so let's talk about Vaseline Cocoa Radiance. One thing that I'll say that it's a slight difference between Vaseline Cocoa Radiance and NIVEA Cocoa is that this one is said to be 600 ml, so it's a little bit under as compared to size of NIVEA Cocoa Butter. And this is said to be 48 hours hydration, while NIVEA is said to have 72 hours hydration. But we're going to look on that when we put them on my skin for us to check it out. Okay, so this particular one is said to have so many ingredients, but a major ingredient right here that is on this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant that we all should know is the fact that it is rich in cocoa. Cocoa is the major constituent of this particular one. So if you're someone that all you want is intense hydration, or you want to just have your skin moisturized and smelling and having that ebony feeling and all, go for this one. It is highly packed with cocoa nutrients. If you're someone that is caramel, ebony, you're not someone that is so much light, you can go for this Cocoa Radiant. And mind you, again, I've also noticed that even light people can actually use this particular product. It all depends on what you're trying to achieve, right? So if you're not looking for like brightening at this moment, you're not looking at whitening at this moment, you just want to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated, you can actually still go for this one. Okay, you can actually, cocoa is good and it works so well for hydration, moisturization, and healing as well. But For the fact that this one contains sheer is the reason why I said if you're someone that is on a healing journey, go for this one instead of this one. But if it is just intense moisturization, hydration, girl, you can actually go for this as well. Either of them works. And then for volume, you know, this is a little bit more. So yes, those are the striking and simple comparison I have in the both of them. So in terms of their consistency, let's take a look at this. So this is the consistency of Vaseline, and this is the consistency of this one right here. Vaseline is a little bit runny as compared to NIVEA. Massage them into your skin. For sure, the one that is more runny will go into your skin faster than the one that is not. So, see that? So, it all depends on what you want. So, I'm going to have a little smell of the smell and see how it goes. Yes, for sure. You see, and it comes to smell, this cocoa, the fact that it's intensely cocoa kills the smell of cocoa on here is intense. So if you are high on perfume, you're someone that doesn't, or maybe you're a worker that perfume is not allowing your workplace, you can actually go for this one, because when you put it on, you'll be smelling good and nothing extra is needed. And then if you're someone that don't really like so much of perfume, you don't even want them to know you have any smell at all on, then this one is a go for you. So the next video I'm going to be making is how I actually combine NIVEA to pair NIVEA with another body oil to give me so much hydration, like long-lasting hydration, to get the 72 hours hydration. Because for me, and this is my honest opinion, I have not used only NIVEA and have that 72 hours hydration for it, maybe because of my skin type, but then I combine it with another body oil and give me this high hydration. Stay tuned and stay glued for the next video, because you are actually going to be getting a lot on this channel. Okay, and that is it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.